Hi, my name is Jean, and this is my channel, Learn with Jean. In today's video, I'm going to talk all about using AI as a co-pilot in your business. So what does that mean exactly, and why am I talking about using AI as a co-pilot? The reason why I wanted to talk about this is as AI tools get better and more sophisticated, there's an opportunity to leverage AI tools in your business to scale your time, build momentum, and get yourself out there sooner rather than later. Also, the biggest challenge for most creators and entrepreneurs starting out is that they have a very lean budget. I like to use the word lean because, well, I don't like to use the word small or minimal. I like to think about our budget is a little bit leaner than more bigger established companies. And so we have to be a little bit more mindful of how we're allocating what we invest in. Rather than invest in a big marketing budget and ad spend and all that, we can leverage AI tools to help us get there. So I'm going to, at the end, give you some examples of what these tools can do for your business. ChatGPT is getting better and better. The more we use it, the more we train the machine what we're looking for, what we need. Recently, as I started to use ChatGPT more, is to help me rewrite emails. Sometimes I can really overthink and overanalyze and look for the right words. And so I can just go to ChatGPT, and it has helped me rewrite and craft some words for an email to a broker. Now, this was really useful because one, I used ChatGPT to generate ideas of words and phrases for the email, and then I read it and I tweaked it afterwards, and then I sent it out. That saved me at least a minimum of an hour because I've always been emailing friends, been texting friends, and I just went into ChatGPT and said, help me craft an email response to this specific question. And so one, ChatGPT is very useful. It helps you write emails. And so that's just the beginning of what ChatGPT can do. And I hope you're excited because this is a way for all of us to do more in less time. The second tool that I want to talk about is called Super CMO. This is a relatively new tool out there. This will be really useful to all of you creators. If you are looking, so Super CMO is like your marketing co-pilot. So rather than just a general writing co-pilot with ChatGPT, now you have a marketing co-pilot in Super CMO. And so what it does is you can upload your brand guidelines, your brand color, and it can generate ads for you based on some descriptive words. The idea is you can really leverage ChatGPT and Super CMO side by side, where I can go into ChatGPT and say, help me think of some branding ideas and colors for a business acquisitions website, and it'll give me some suggestions of colors and profiles like minimalist, modern, professional, and then I can take all that and then stick it into CMO and say, okay, these are the colors, these are my brand guidelines, my font. Now generate some ads for me to talk about business acquisitions and selling, if I wanted to sell a business acquisitions program. And so it'll take all that and spit out some images. Now it does take some time because the machine is thinking and it's processing and it's rendering, but take a look at it and then you can say, wow, okay, this is interesting. Not quite what I'm thinking, but it's close enough. In a sense, it's close enough. And now I'm going to take this and hire a designer to say, okay, these are the ads that I've come up with. Now, please take these images and help me craft something that's a mix of the two or a hybrid of the two. And then that way you have started a little bit and saved yourself some time before you hire a designer, and you have some ideas instead of working with a blank canvas. Now your designer knows a little bit about what you're looking to do and can help you craft the style of ads and help you put your ad out there with a much bigger budget than you had before, because now you have saved some time on both of you've shaved off some time from a designer starting from scratch, asking questions. So this is why I wanted to make this video, to say AI is a great co-pilot for your business to scale, to build momentum, and to help you do what you need to do so that you're not thinking and stuck. You have a tool out there at your fingertips. Check out the demo of the ChatGPT prompts that I have used, how I have used it, and Super CMO for how it has generated some sample Facebook and or Instagram ads. And check those tools out and tell me, are you using AI in your business, and what AI tools are you using, and what are you liking and are not liking, or what are you curious about? So now I'm just going to briefly show you Super CMO and how I've used it as a sample ad, and then how I've used ChatGPT and what the results are, and why these are really two useful tools as a co-pilot in your business. There are other AI tools out there, but for the purposes of this video, I want to show you the way these could work side by side. So first of all, Super CMO is like a creative marketing co-pilot, and then ChatGPT helps you write and generate content. What I really liked is that Super CMO, I can go into my brand hub and talk about what my brand is, what the font family. I can define what that brand voice is. I can add more keywords in there. And then I can develop a Facebook and or Instagram campaign. So if I'm testing out Instagram ads, these are what I would test out is educational services. The goal of this campaign is to generate leads to sign up new clients for course creation services. And then what you can also do is to connect to your Facebook, Instagram account so that everything that you build in here is then linked to the actual building of the ad campaign in Facebook and or Instagram. So if you have any more questions or want to see any more about this, drop a note in the description below or send me an email if you have questions, and I'm happy to talk more about Super CMO. And now in ChatGPT, you can see I've been pretty active in using it in different ways to help me write letters of recommendation, write emails, to rewrite some of my LinkedIn content, and it's been really useful. So this one that I tried recently is an acquisitions landing page brand guideline. What I want to do is build a acquisitions landing page to show potential brokers and businesses that are looking to sell who I am, what I'm about. And what I've done is ask ChatGPT to help me come up with color schemes. What I did was say, help me with some color scheme ideas for a business acquisitions landing page. And then it gave me some color suggestions based on some different types of personalities. And then I continue to play with this and say, can you give me some hex code samples for the color schemes? And so certainly they have generated some color schemes for me, a good starting point, and I can take this, and if this was the brand that I'm going to run ads for, I can go into Super CMO, go into my brand hub, put all those brand guidelines in here and start to run ads. This is helping me go from a blank canvas to a less blank canvas and giving me some ideas and helping me generate suggestions and direction for a potential landing page. I'll go into more about ChatGPT and Super CMO in another video, but I hope this is helpful. But this is just an overview. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.